You don't need a big income to start building wealth, just the right plan. Many young and mature people work hard, pay bills, and still feel stuck. Debt feels heavy. Income barely grows. Saving feels impossible. But simple, smart investing with mutual funds, even small amounts, can help you build wealth over time without stress. Watch till the end to learn exact steps and real apps you can use today. And if you want honest, practical money guidance every week, hit subscribe. You may ask, why does debt and saving feels hard? And here is the honest truth. When most of your income goes to bills, transport, food, debt repayment, there's little left to save or grow. But wealth isn't built by waiting for extra money. It's built by making your money work for you. Mutual funds let you do that even with small amounts. What are mutual funds? A mutual fund is a group of many investors' money managed by professionals, divided into many assets so risk is spread. You don't choose each stock. Experts do. You just invest and let professionals manage it. This is safer than picking individual stocks on your own. Here are reputable, beginner-friendly platforms that work. Number 1, Carrywise, best for mutual funds and auto investment. Number 2, PiggyVest, best for combining saving plus investing. Number 3, RiseVest, best for global diversification, dollars, stocks, real estate. These are all reputable and widely used by Nigerians for wealth building. How to invest in mutual funds, step by step. Step 1, get your financial house in order. Before investing, list your debts. Identify high interest ones. Decide what you can pay monthly. Debt is not a barrier, but don't invest borrowed money. Since interest on borrowing is usually higher than investment growth, pay it down first. Step 2, open an account on a trusted app or platform. Choose one platform, Carrywise or PiggyVest for mutual fund. Start with a small amount you're comfortable with. Set up automatic contributions. Even $1 a week still adds up. Step 3, choose a fund based on your goal. Funds have different goals. Short-term safety, medium-term growth, long-term growth. If you're new, start with low to medium risk funds and build confidence. Step 4, invest small and consistently. Consistency beats timing. Example, $1 weekly, $4 monthly. Over time, this grows with compound returns. Check your app monthly. Do not panic when markets dip. Mutual funds are for long-term growth. Start where you are. Consistency makes wealth. Subscribe if you want smart, simple steps to grow wealth. No hype, no scam. Later, we'll talk about why budgeting fails for many people and what works instead.